in front of me is INFINIX HOT 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on security, tap on screen lock over here and pick one of those login methods, swipe pattern, pin or password. Tap on the best one for you, select next and enter it. Then select next over here, repeat it and tap on confirm. Following that, you can pick one of those options for your lock screen notifications. Show notification content, show notifications content by but hide content, and don't show lock screen notifications. I will go with the last one. I don't want any, so now I can click on done, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!